Hello Amazon shoppers, this is Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are going over some of the best products for new parents on Amazon. This is definitely one of them. I love this product. This is the Dream on Me Skylar Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper. That's right, this is going to be a really functional piece of equipment that you can use either as a bassinet, or you can zip down one side of it and it attaches to your bed frame and it can be used as a bedside sleeper. Really, really cool product. The legs are really innovative. They go in and out, and there's rolling wheels on one side so you can get it really, really close into your mattress, so that way there's just really seamless, effortless feedings in the middle of the night and comforting baby. You can be right there next to them while also keeping them safe and keeping them sleeping in their own bassinet crib area. You guys, this is a stylish design. It comes in several different colors that are gonna match whatever you have going on. This is also, it's just like assembly free, really easy to put together, really easy to attach to your bed, so that's one less headache, one less thing that you have to worry about. This is absolutely wonderful for small spaces. If you don't have a nursery space or you have a very small nursery, this is definitely a piece of furniture that you are gonna want to have. It's also really, really great, I believe, for travel. This is something that you can take to grandparents' house or something like that and be able to have a place for baby to sleep. And it just be like exactly at home. So you guys, this also is up to all safety standards. It's something that you can buy with confidence. It's a really, really great piece of furniture, and it's something that can do so many different things you're going to use in a lot of different ways. I definitely think that this should be on your registry, or just go ahead and put it in your cart, give it as a gift, or get it for yourself and your baby. You are going to be very glad that you did.